How to check product reviews in Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. So basically this is the place where you can find different products and even browse through them. Here, simply tap on the product that you're looking for. So here I'm tapping on one. So now we in this detail page. Here you'll be able to find everything about this product. Now slowly scroll down. So here there's a section called item reviews. So these are the reviews that are available. Here tap on see all reviews. So here you can find all the ratings that are available. Here there are different comments too. So you can know if the product is good or bad. Now you can easily purchase it or discard it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you